where the child's happiness is taken as the most important aspect and the parents invariably become slaves to the child. This parenting style is known as the permissive parenting, where the parents believe my child's happiness is the foremost priority in my life, and I will see to it that I give the child everything and anything that the child asks for, and also will not see tears in my child's eyes. So here what happens, love is expressed as love in the form of smiles, hugs, cuddles, etc., appreciation, admiration, everything goes on, but in the lack of firmness. So there is no assertiveness from the parent side, and the child is not able to see a role model where there is firmness and assertiveness in the same person. So that way the child develops an attitude that only when I cry, the parents are going to act. So they would see to it that their necessities and needs, and not only the needs, it is also the unnecessary activities are fulfilled by the parents by just making them feel bad about the negative emotion within the child. So they may cry for any silly thing and they get the activity done. So invariably the child develops a lot of temper tantrums. When they get into the outside world and the social elements that they come across in schools, etc., if they are, emotion is not satisfied, if they are not given positive emotion, and in the presence of a criticism, they are not able to take it at all. And they always think that my parents have been very good, they have always made me happy, but the outside world is treating me bad. So here what happens, the child after a certain period understands my parents have been of no use. Especially during their adolescence, when they are 14-15 years of age, they understand that my parents have only been keeping me happy, but they have not guided me so far. So either they become totally a person where their own guidance is determined by their own knowledge of 14 and 15 years of age, which is surely going to be a half-baked knowledge, and they are not going to have a typical person to guide in their life, and they start making decisions in their emotional frame of mind at that point of time. And what happens if they find a very good person who is taking care of them, who is very firm and assertive, they start looking up to that person as the role model, and in the bargain their attachment to the parents might fall apart and they start believing the other person. So here is the importance of analyzing that permissive parenting is only maintaining happiness of the children, but it is not a good role modeling, or it is not going to give the good guidance and monitoring and supervision that the child should be subjected to in the first decade of life, which will make them evolve into a beautiful adult.